India definitely is a market which specific periods are considered auspicious to buy, especially a durable like cars. Point one. Point two, I think if you look at the auto index, the top 5 companies hold about a 50% weight. And if you look at the beta, it has thrown up with Nifty is about 0.93. And the standard deviation, it throws up. So point I'm trying to make is they have been reasonably stable at an index level. Nifty Auto is one index which we track. So point is that I think you will be able to have buoyancy. It has not outperformed Nifty over the last 6 months. I think that's why we think auto is the space which will have some degree of defense. Given the market levels, I personally think being a little defensive when the tide turns with respect to liquidity is a smarter thing to do, and auto is one space which will have lower drawdowns in our opinion.
Right. Which are the auto companies that you like most in this environment? One, what's your top 4-wheeler bet and your top 2-wheeler bet?
See, Tanvi, I would not be specifically commenting on a stock, but I can definitely tell you, because if there's a lot of flight of capital which fund managers are bringing into auto, the top 5 stocks in the auto index are going to be very, very critical. And if you look at the kind of free float which is still available, there is the technical free float and an implied free float. A lot of the free float has been gobbled up by index funds. So I would say, if I go in the chronological order, not as a recommendation, but in the Nifty auto space, where implied free floats are actually significantly lower than the technical free floats, it will be Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, and Auto. And the barometer which I'm using here is that there is a lot of this free float which has been absorbed by index funds, and that is not coming back into the market, and it's a very price inelastic holder. So that's how I would probably trade this space, looking at the weights they have and the kind of implied free floats they own in the market space.